Hi guys, welcome back. So recently Poweramp was unveiled a new beta for their app. So this update is basically change or revamp the design of the Poweramp. So without overdue, let's get to check what new. So the first thing you should see is it is now white. Yes, it's white. I'm gonna check what it is looks like in the world. Let's go back to the Play Store, and here it is, guys. The Poweramp which I'm currently using. So this is what the old version look. Yes, this is looks really old, but the new version is looks kind of nice, but it still doesn't look that good because the icons and everything is look kind of bad. So I still have everything like the equalization, the table and everything like that. You can search right from here, and then that is it. You can click it is basically showing up the music player. So yes guys, this is it basically. So this is it guys. Overall, it works not ready. I'm currently using this trial. I'm just downloaded to show this up. So in the look and feel, you can do whatever really available. It's just I think it's just get the color white, and this is it, guys. So not really changed. If you cannot find it on Play Store, I'm gonna be linking the APK mirror file below. So don't forget to check it out. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe me and give it a thumbs up. And that's it, guys. Overall, thanks for watching.